everyone, I am Charmaine and welcome to Repair Kopitiam's first of a series of instructional videos. In this series, I'm going to find out how Repair Kopitiam coaches repair stuff safely and effectively. I'm so excited to meet our coach, Sudipto. Sudipto is an active Repair Kopitiam coach for more than a year. From being an avid repair volunteer, he's now much more experienced and have been training many coaches since. Let's welcome Sudipto. Hello Sudipto, so happy to start our repair journey with you.
Hi Charmaine, glad to be here and share what I've learned.
So I'm very excited as electricity has always been like a very scary thing for me. So I want to know how you guys do it safely and get the item fixed at the same time.
It was the same for me. When I started, however, it is easy to learn the simple steps and things to watch out for to repair properly and safely.
Great, so to begin, what is electricity?
Simply put, electricity flows through a circuit like water flows through pipes. This energy allows us to power machines to run devices. Think of the water as the electricity in the pipe in the circuit. Components in the circuit allow us to control the flow of the circuit in the different ways.
Great. Actually, what do you mean by controlling the flow of electricity?
Let me show you, Charmaine, what it looks like. So here's a light bulb. So you can see here's a light bulb, but the switch on the socket actually stops the electricity from flowing in when you turn it off. So quite similarly, inside an appliance, we can control the electricity to flow to certain components to do work we want.
Oh, I see. So the components in the appliance controls the flow like when we select a high speed on a blender.
Yes, so if you select a high speed on your blender, the circuit sends the current to the power the motor at a higher speed.
Okay, so why can't we use batteries to power everything at home, instead of using sockets? Isn't it like much safer?
Good question, Charmaine. Batteries are usually good for small appliances. That need very small amounts of electricity to run. AC current, on the other hand, can be transmitted over large distances and can power large appliances.
Oh, sorry, what is AC?
So AC stands for alternating current, and there is another kind of current called DC or direct current. DC usually comes from batteries and adapters, and the electricity only flows from positive to negative. While AC comes from your wall sockets but reverses directions constantly instead of flowing in one direction like DC.
I see. So no positive or negative for AC?
Nope. So the AC has two wires, live and neutral, instead. And the electricity flows in and out of them. In Singapore, we get 230 volts from our sockets.
Oh, does this mean we can only use appliances that are designed for our local electricity?
Yes, that's correct. So we should only use appliances that use 230 volts supply in Singapore.
I see. So what else do we need to know?
So you also need to know most important concepts of electricity called Ohm's law, which is actually a very simple formula.
Oh, Ohm's law?
Yes, so Ohm's law lets us know if the components are working correctly. Like this is a typical rating. Let me show you. Like this is a typical rating on your appliance. It shows you power and voltage, and the appliance would use under normal working conditions.
I actually thought it shows what voltage we should use with the appliance with.
Yes, however, the information here can also be used to check the condition of the appliance before you decide to repair.
Oh, how do we do that?
So we need Ohm's two laws, how to use them. Voltage law and the power law.
So can these be used in practice?
Yes, these laws are used in designing all electrical appliances. So let's understand the terms used. Voltage V is the force that makes electricity move through a wire. Current I is the amount of electricity that moves through the wire. Resistance R is the difficulty for electricity to move through a wire. And voltage is current times resistance, V is equal to IR. So to get voltage, we multiply I and R. To get I, we divide V by R. To get R, we divide V by I.
Wait, but the sticker doesn't show the current.
Yes, so the sticker commonly shows the power and the voltage. So by using the power law, we can calculate the design current. The important value we need to find is the resistance. So let me show you how to use that information to get that. So if you get P, we will multiply I and V. To get I, we will divide P by V. To get V, we will divide P by I. With this formula and getting I, the designed current, we can now use R is equal to V divided by I.
Oh, so now that I know that, can I start repairing?
Well, almost. There are 4 safety rules you should always remember to practice before opening any appliance.
Ah, yes, so sorry. I was so eager to start, I forgot about safety.
Yes, so these 4 safety rules must be the first things you deal with before opening any appliance. Switch off and remove the plug so you know that the appliance will not be powered up accidentally. Don't repair near a water source because electricity flows through water easily and you may get electrocuted when you test the repair.
Oh, so that's why we are always warned about handling circuits with not wet hands.
Yes, water can connect with the switch and give you a very nasty shock. Cover up all frayed wires so that they don't cause a short circuit. Like this as an example. Other important thing is always wear personal protection like gloves, goggles and ear muffs. Let me show you. These are particularly important when the repair is hot, sputters or is very loud.
I see. So, okay, let's recap the list of 4 important safety rules. Number 1, always switch off and unplug. Number 2, don't repair near water. Number 3, cover all frayed wires. And number 4, wear protection. Thank you so much, Sudipto, for sharing with us the theory and safety of handling electrical items.
It's my pleasure and I hope many more people will give repairing a try. Thank you for having me, Charmaine.
Thank you. So today we learned about number 1, ohms voltage and power laws. Number 2, safety rules of electrical repairs. My name is Charmaine and I feel ready to repair something, so stay tuned for more sharing sessions with our other coaches. You can follow the Repair Kopitiam community by following these information.